free. Where are you? Where are you? But you can never walk alone on your way to being free.
Push that in. Push that in to magnify and see if you're in focus or not. So the way that this works is kind of like a rangefinder, right? It has that. It'll cut the whatever image in half of what you're looking at. So once that image is together in that circle, that means that you're in focus. Cool.
Today's Thursday and we're doing film challenge. Yeah, so this is gonna be very difficult. It's medium format and I've never used it before. BJ's starting first.
Whoa, this just makes me dizzy, dude.
Gonna be tough, dude. But I'm kind of excited because I've never used a film camera before.
It's a 8 at 30. Okay, you're good.
BJ's done. Now it's Francis's turn. How do you like it, PJ?
My equilibrium was like all fucked up, dude.
Does it mess with your head?
It does, dude. Because you're trying to like level it out, but it's like going the opposite way.
Yeah, I kind of understand it now, Peach.
Yeah, dude.
It's not straight. So I just press it down when I press the shutter.
Yep.
There you go. That's focused now. Damn, Peach. Sexy ass.
Daniel. Damn, Daniel.
It's pretty hard, dude. I just got done with mine, and that shit was kind of difficult. But it was kind of fun, actually. I learned a little bit. What do you think, Francis?
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright.
It's alright.
It's alright.
Well, but fuck that though. It's like it's fucking your freaking what you call this? Your composition, because it's like tilted
Yeah,
sometimes.
it's weird because it's like inverted, so you're gonna be like
Doing this and
doing this,
yeah, and
like this.
Jerry was like doing the this earlier. Like I need to focus.
2 more people shoot, right?
2 more.
2 more. It'll be quicker, hopefully.
Oh wait, here, I'll
And we got light. She's doing the light now. Here, come here. Come in frame.
What's up? I'm
She's
now
the
light
model,
holder.
and now she's the light.
Hi, I'm Wally. Please hire me.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream.
4, 5, 8.
It happened.
Don't go. Chasing a dream. You do. Ooh, ooh.
Is it good at low light?
This lenses, GH5 isn't.
Low light shootout. Bro, my freaking noise just got cut out of nowhere. Yo!
We're pretty much almost done. Jay, so loud. Jay's taking last shot, Jay? Almost. Probably like 1 or 2 more shots. You guys like that?
It's pretty fun. Like, yes.
Fucking sucks. It fucking sucks. It looks like I'm vlogging, dude.
The Spanish Armada.
Is this the vlogging right here?
I just like fix my
Here.
Magic and you like.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So here we are out here. Chilling.
Magic. That's how. Gotta get on the ground, dude. Gotta get low.
I don't know if that works.
Is that it?
Yeah. Dude, I'm pretty sure all my shit's gonna be like shaky. No, not just underexposed, but like, because, yeah, it's at like 4, dude. 1/4 of a
shit.
second. So,
Yeah.
Thanks for
And-
taking pictures of me and shit.
And thanks,
well,
Jay, for.
hopefully we'll see.
I know.
I mean, even if
Hopefully
they're bad,
those
like,
things were
I'll
like
still
turned out
enjoy
okay.
them for like the fucked up aesthetic like appeal, and I'll still post them on my Instagram with Marisha and be like,
If
look
they're
at
in
this.
focus.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hopefully at
It
least
looked-
like
it looked focused to me.
hopefully
but I don't know.
everyone has at least one photo that's in focus.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, and it's like
That's
the
the
best
goal. One photo.
One photo
One
each.
photo.
That's always the goal.
I feel
Yeah.
like that's a pretty good ratio for.
Everybody good?
Definitely gonna go watch my hair.
Okay. It's time to go home. Peace.
Bye.